This is the AI News Flash for May 22nd, 6 a.m. UTC. First up, the New York Times opinion section published a detailed analysis arguing Pope Leo's AI Encyclical signals a new course for the Catholic Church's social doctrine. The Encyclical Magnifica Humanitas, set for official release on May 25th, is positioned as the first historic encyclical addressing the new industrial revolution since Pope Leo XIII's Rerum Novarum in 1891, 135 years ago. It will provide ethical guidance to 1.4 billion Catholic believers on fundamental challenges raised by modern AI technology, including AI worker exploitation, autonomous weapons, mass surveillance, AI alignment problems, and technology ethics. As symbolized by the attendance of Anthropic co-founder Jack Clark, this marks full-scale dialogue between the religious world and frontier AI companies, a decisive milestone in forming the global AI governance framework. Second, Reuters' detailed analysis reports European AI-related stocks continue solid gains despite the heightened geopolitical risk environment from the prolonged Iran war. European AI-related stocks, including ASML, SAP, Mistral AI, Siemens, and NVIDIA Europe operations, have recorded relative outperformance with continued institutional capital inflows despite oil price increases and inflation pressures. European digital sovereignty strategy, Mistral AI €14 billion valuation, ASML 2025 full-year revenue of €32.7 billion, EU AI Act implementation framework, and accelerated sovereign AI infrastructure investment are providing complex support. This establishes a shift from U.S.-concentrated AI investment themes to global diversification, including Europe, with European AI stocks emerging as a symbolic case of institutional allocation theme acceleration under geopolitical risk hedging. Third, Bloomberg reports emerging market stocks are poised to close the week higher, with the AI trade boosting tech stocks across the board. The MSCI Emerging Markets Index is firm, led by AI-related stocks in Taiwan, South Korea, and China. Major AI ecosystem stocks, including TSMC, Samsung Electronics, SK Hynix, and Lenovo, are rising in tandem. Taiwan weighted index up 22% year-to-date, Kashpi at all-time high, Nikkei average surging 15% to historic high. The Asian AI boom symbolizes the full-scale institutional allocation theme in global investing. Under the four hyperscalers' $725 billion 2026 capex boom, institutional allocation to AI semiconductor peripheral hardware stocks is accelerating, marking emerging market AI stocks as a critical milestone showing 2026's most important investment theme transition. Fourth, Meta quietly released a new social media app called Forum, a Reddit-like group-based community app showing new developments in consumer-facing social strategy. The Forum specializes in interest-based group creation, discussions, and thread-style conversations, leveraging existing Facebook and Instagram user bases to strategically position for full-scale entry into the Reddit competitor market. With Meta AI apps, cumulative 60.5 million downloads, Muse and Spark features, and the Superintelligence Lab's proprietary model development, this is the latest example of CEO Zuckerberg's aggressive investment in consumer AI in social domains. The potential for AI content moderation, personalization, and agentic AI integration makes this an important groundwork for full-scale AI implementation in consumer social media. Fifth, China's National Development and Reform Commission officially announced a more flexible stance toward foreign investment in China's technology sector, an important signal amid the U.S.-China AI technology hegemony struggle. The announcement clearly suggests softening of acceptance for foreign direct investment in key Chinese AI ecosystem fields, including AI semiconductors, robotics, physical AI, humanoid robot manufacturing, and data center infrastructure. Against the backdrop of DeepSeek V4, Huawei Ascend AI chips, Alibaba Cloud's $100 billion 5-year investment, and China's humanoid robotics with 140 companies and 330 models commanding 90% of world market share, the intent for full-scale global capital attraction has become clear. In contrast to the Manus co-founder exit ban, this policy shift represents China's strategic adjustment to the U.S.-China AI division structure, marking a critical milestone showing transition to a new phase of global AI geopolitics. That's all for this AI News Flash.